Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to cancel the Discord app subscription. So let's get started. So here I can see the Discord app. So if you want to cancel the subscription, you have to follow this method. Just press and hold it here. Then at here you have to click on this I button. So at here we can see the Discord info. Okay. So to cancel the subscription, first of all you will just log in into your ID with the premium account. Okay. Then here you have to open your Google Play Store. If you are an iOS user, then open your Apple Store. So at the top right section, you can see the account. Just click on there. Then here we can click on payment and subscription. Just click on subscriptions. And at here you can see the active. If it shows on the active ones, you have to click on cancel and confirm the cancellation. If it shows on the expired ones, just click on remove and confirm the remove. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.